so this is me, Sukanya, and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I've done a full face makeup. I think I look crazy. So today, I'll be shooting this post makeup skincare routine with you guys, and so let's get started. Also, that if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And I also post a lot of videos relating to fashion and makeup and beauty and fun challenges which I'll be posting. So please stay tuned and just subscribe. And so I won't talk much and I'll just get started with this. First things first, I'll just dye my hair. Okay, I'll just use this because when I'm cleaning my face, I don't want any hair to be, it's very irritating. So I'll just do this. Okay. So yeah, I think it's all clean. Okay. And rest of the hair I'll just do it in a bun. Like that. So I'm not an expert into all this, and as you guys know, I'm very new. So just bear with me. So first, I'll clean my face with the Garnier Micellar water. So yeah, so I don't like to drag my skin a lot because it's not good. So I just like to let it in. I'll go with setting. These are the most difficult parts of my face right now because I've put so much there. And yeah. Yeah, I think. Okay. Oh god, it's such a task. So, but whatever, how much task it might feel like, but you should never sleep with your makeup. I think when I was young, I was very lazy and I used to do a lot of, but it's so bad because it tends for breakouts and it's not good for your skin at all. So, no matter how much of task and how much you're tired, never go to sleep with your makeup. I think I'm not a beauty expert, but then I will just share what I've learned in my way and what I follow. So yeah. So I'm done with this, and but the next step, it's not over yet. I like to go with the second step. Since this was a water-based makeup, I like to go with the Biotique almond oil. It's a it's a soothing face and eye makeup cleanser. So because it's oil based, it like just breaks everything out. So yeah, so I don't take much of it. I just take like few drops and then warm it up and massage it. Because the rest of whatever is left, I think it will just break everything out. So I'm a person, I go crazy because there was a time where my skin, I've seen the worst phases of my skin, so I don't take a chance anymore. So I kind of do a double, triple step of cleansing and skincare all together. So I think it's good enough. I don't know if you guys do or not, but I do it. So okay, now since it's a bit oily in my face, I will just so next step I follow it up by a face wash. But before the face wash, I'll take a wipe. It's the Kara Beauty sunscreen wipes, plum and aloe vera. Any wipes, makeup cleanser wipes, any wipe. Just take normal wipe, or you can do it with a cotton. But I like the soothing and refreshing feel. So I use the wipes and wait. I'll just show you guys. Stay tuned. So yeah. So I just like to dab it. Yeah. So whatever the oil is, because if I go straightly for the face wash now, it won't actually clean. It will just put the oil outside. So I don't want that. Side, and my next step will be doing a face wash. I'm using the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. So I just take this much. Okay, you are not supposed to take a lot of face wash, a lot of amount of face wash. It's like pea size, yeah. So and I just wipe my face and come. Okay, so my face wash is done. I just wipe my face, and girls, so don't wipe your face like this, or don't be so hard on yourself. So I have learned this trick very late in my life. I think when I was in college. So you should always like do this like dab, like do the when you use the beauty blender and dab. So you just gently. See, it's that easy. Because your skin is the most sensitive and soft part. Using the Neutrogena Deep Clean Black Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. So this is very light, like it's not the harsh scrub, and I think I don't need that harsh scrubber. So I love Neutrogena products. I think they are really good. And this, I also again take a very pea-sized amount or a bit more. I mean, yeah, that's it. Yeah, and then okay, so I have to go to the washroom and wipe it again. So like wash it and wipe. So I'll back and I'll just wipe my face again before the next step start. This is a Java activated charcoal face pack, and yeah, I mean whatever dot makeup chemical. So I'll take a brush and I think it's almost over. So it's kind of stuck in. I love this part when you have to just paint your face. Okay. Normally you don't put in your lips, but it's just nice, right? Yeah. I will just let it be for 5 to 7 minutes since it's a charcoal face pack. So see you. So I have wiped my face, and I mean whatever work it was, but I love how it feels now. I mean, see, that's why skincare is important. Next, I'll be just applying some, like a face mist, which I have which I'm using Dabur Gulabari rose water. Yeah, so next I'll be applying this toner, which is from Biotic Honey Water. So I think it's Biotic only has two toners. I mean, one is in the cucumber and one is this honey water. I love the cucumber one. It's very refreshing because I like something which is very refreshing. But this is also good. I mean, that one is over. I used to use that, and I think I bought two at the same time, but I use that so much that that's over now. So as you can see, I don't use one product, like one brand for everything. I mean, whatever suits my skin the best, I apply it. So I like dab, 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 dab. So I'll be applying next is aloe vera gel from Patanjali. Aloe vera gel, I think everyone uses this. It's almost over. Another side situation of me being cheap. See? I mean, for the glow, it's very good. Okay, next I'll be using this Good Vibes aloe vera plus neem gel. It's like for acne control and hydrating. I mean, yeah, I just use an aloe vera gel, and then you must think why I'm using another aloe vera plus neem gel, but it's me, and I just love my skin to feel hydrated. So yeah, I just like dab in all the products like for the skin to soak it. I'm gonna just use this much. Like I normally use this much, and then yeah. I always don't drag your skin downwards, it should be always upwards. Next, I'll be just using a lip balm because of all the black lipstick and everything. But anyway, I have a problem of chapped lips, so I use a good lip care also. So this is from Biotic. I love this lip balm. This is Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. I mean, look at the color. Can you see the color and the smell and everything? It's just nice. I mean, there were so many pairs, and like look at the color it's getting. Like it's natural, but it's still natural pink. So yeah, this is it, and I hope you liked it. And please do tell me or suggest some what else when you want to see me. I have a lot of content in my mind, and I'll be posting them. Some are shooted, and some are on its way. So yeah, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like, comment, share with your friends. See you soon. Love you.